How to open a teen account on Starling Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can open up a teen account on Starling Bank. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to open a teen account on Starling Bank, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is basically go ahead and then go to starlingbank.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description below. And once you have done that, you want to make sure to tap the two lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and here you'll find an option that says current accounts. So go to current accounts here, and here you'll find one of the options that says teen account. So leave the personal join, euro, Starling, kite, or whatever else. You can see teen account, so tap on the teen account option, and now you can see a bank account for 16 and 17-year-olds. If you want to create one, just tap the apply now option over here, and after you tap on the apply now option, you will be able to select a new customer option. So select new customer because we are new to it, and then just tap the continue option again, and then make sure to enter your first name here, and then tap on continue, and then make sure to enter the phone number, tap on start your application, and you can go on about entering your other details as well. This way you will be able to go ahead and then actually open up a teen account on Starling Bank. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.